Hey everyone, in this video, you will be learning about rainbows. Have you ever looked outside after a rain shower to see a rainbow glowing with multiple colors across the sky? Do you know how a rainbow forms? In this video, you will learn all about rainbows and how they form, and if you can even reach the end of the rainbow. Let's get to it. First, let me explain how a rainbow forms. A rainbow needs two things to form, sunshine and water. Both of them have to be there at the same time, which makes rainbows a bit rare. Rainbows typically happen at the end of a storm. The light from the sun shines through the raindrops, and the raindrops reflect all the colors back at us. How does that happen? Well, let's talk about sunlight. All the light that you see is white light. White light is made up by a spectrum of colors. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A ray of sunlight is white light, which means it's made up of all these colors combined. Every color that we see in a rainbow depends on the angle of the sunlight that is reflecting off each single raindrop. The white light's angle changes as it passes through the raindrops, which is why raindrops reflect all of the colors. You can break up white light from your home using a prism. Put a prism in the sun and keep changing its angle until it makes a rainbow. If you do that, you'll find out that white light is indeed made of many colors. Water can also act like a prism, which is why you see rainbows in the sky in the right conditions. That's all for how rainbows form. Don't worry if you didn't understand it all. How rainbows form is complex, but with time and practice, you'll slowly start understanding more and more about how they form. Okay, now how about some fun facts about rainbows? For you to see a rainbow, the sun has to be behind you and the rain in front of you, making rainbows a bit rare. Rainbows are not arcs, instead they are full circles, but the ground obstructs your view of the full rainbow. Pilots, however, may sometimes see a circular rainbow. Rainbows can be seen in mist, fog, spray, dew, and of course, rain. There are always 7 colors in a rainbow, and in every single rainbow, the way the colors are ordered never changes. You can make rainbows with a prism. There is no end for rainbow, since rainbows are made up of light. We can't reach the end of the rainbow. We can see rainbows, but we can't touch, feel, hear, or smell rainbows, which is why rainbows are called optical illusions. Now, if you really want to see a rainbow and can't wait for it, why don't you make it? Yes, you heard me right, you can make a rainbow. You will need the weather to be sunny, and you will need a garden hose. Turn on the garden hose and stand opposite of the sun. You should see your shadow in front of you. Put the garden hose on the mist setting, or put your thumb over it so that the water spreads in all directions. If you did the steps correctly, you should see a rainbow. Congratulations if you made a rainbow. All rainbows have the same 7 colors. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. One way to remember the 7 colors of the rainbow is by the acronym ROY-G-BIB. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!